you doing? I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. Well, I'm doing okay and great shooting for you guys. So today I have a beautiful and wonderful combo recipe that I'm going to share with you guys. It's going to be healthy and tasty, and it's chocolate oat smoothie and peanut butter oat smoothie. Both the smoothies are very nutritious and healthy and tasty as well, with no refined sugar and no dairy milk, all dairy free milk and plant-based milk. So yes, it's going to be very nice shooting for you guys this amazing combo recipe. So stay tuned and let's get started. Keep on watching the video. So to make the peanut butter oat smoothie, today I'm going to be using in oat milk. So I have 1.5 cup of oat milk. This is the natural homemade oat milk. I have some peanut butter. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. That's today's main ingredient. Then I have 1 banana, just normal ripe banana. I'll use 1 tablespoon of honey and oat milk, as I said. And here I have 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and this is half cup of instant oats. So in this recipe you can also use old-fashioned rolled oats, or you can also use this instant oats. So this is a very healthy smoothie, and sometimes I take this for breakfast whenever I'm tired of having the normal oat milk. So let's start making this lovely smoothie. So I'm taking in a blender. Into that, first I'll add half cup of instant oats. You can add in any oats. Next in chia seeds, 2 tablespoons. I'm taking a banana. I'll peel it and just add it normally inside. Make sure to use ripe bananas in this recipe. So just add it like this roughly. So banana is done. Next in, I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons of natural homemade creamy peanut butter. Just add it inside. Peanut butter is very healthy and full of nutrients. So there we go. So after adding in the peanut butter, I'm going to be adding in some honey. Just 1 tablespoon of honey, and that's it, because I personally don't like too sweet. So that's it. Honey for the natural mild sweetness. If you wish, you can add in maple syrup or agave syrup as well, no problem at all. So, and also if you like the cinnamon flavor, you can add in a dash of cinnamon into this. Now last but not the least, I'm going to be adding in the natural oat milk. This is the natural homemade oat milk, 1.5 cup. So just add it inside. This is the half cup and this is 1 cup. So I'm using measuring cup in this recipe. So 250 ml is 1 cup and half cup. So I've added all the milk inside. If you want to add in any nuts, you can add any nuts as well, or any other fruit of your choice. I'm just going to give it a light mix, just a little bit, not so much. Banana will give us a really nice creamy texture, plus bananas are also healthy for morning breakfast. This is done. I'm going to close the lid and I'm just going to blend. So the peanut butter smoothie is ready. It's nice, thick and creamy. Let me show you the texture. It's very nice and very creamy. So I'm going to serve this in a nice tall glass. I'm going to give it a final garnish with some chia seeds. This is optional. Next in, I'm going to also garnish it with some pista flakes. You can garnish it with any nuts of your choice. You can use almond flakes, you can use cashews or anything like that. Now the peanut butter chia smoothie is completely ready, and I've served it. It's going to be very tasty and healthy. It's going to keep you full for a longer time. In this smoothie we have a goodness of peanut butter, chia seeds, oats, and also oat milk. So you know what? Now healthy food can also be tasty. Trust me when it comes to this. So as promised, this recipe I'm going to show you two types of smoothie. So this was the first smoothie, peanut butter oat smoothie. Now the second recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the chocolate oat smoothie recipe. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate oat smoothie recipe. It's also very easy and simple. So let me keep this aside and I'll refrigerate it. Till then, let me show you the chocolate oat smoothie and then we'll serve this together. So to make the chocolate oat smoothie, I'm using instant oats. Half cup of instant oats. If you're using old-fashioned rolled oats, that is also fine. So in a blender, I'm adding in half cup of instant oats. Next in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can use black or white, any is fine. Next in I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. As it is chocolate, cocoa powder is a must. So 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Almond milk is very good for health and this is homemade pure almond milk, 1.5 cup. So this is measuring 250 ml cup and half cup. So I've added the milk. Next in for sweetness, I'm using 1 banana. Make sure to use ripe banana. Just peel it and add it in the smoothie. This smoothie is going to be nutritious and tasty as well. The bananas will also add a slight sweetness, plus it will also add the creaminess. Next in I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. It's optional, but as I have it at my house, I'll add in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. It's completely optional. You can also use almond butter, cashew butter, any nut butter is fine. This is my homemade butter. Next in I'm adding in honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. I personally don't like my smoothie to be very sweet, so for me 1 tablespoon will be fine. If you like to have a lot of sweet, you can add in 2 tablespoons of honey. So now that I've added the cocoa powder, the banana, the milk and everything, I'm going to give it a good mix. Just mix it gently so that when it blends in, it all incorporates together. So chia seeds are going to give this just another level of nice crunchiness. This is done. Now I'm going to blend this smoothie perfectly nice till smooth. So I'll see you guys after I've blended. The chocolate oat smoothie is ready and I've blended it. It's nice, perfect and creamy. Let me show you its texture. With the goodness of chia seeds, peanut butter and oats, it's super creamy and delicious, also with the goodness of the almond milk that I've added and the banana. And yes, it's time to serve this. I'm going to garnish this with little bit of pista flakes, as always. Just a little flakes, and I've got some nice semi-sweet chocolate chips, so also I'll add in some chocolate chips. So the yummy chocolatey smoothie filled with oats, almond milk is ready with the goodness of honey, chia seeds and peanut butter. This recipe is completely ready, and remember we had also prepared the first smoothie, the peanut butter smoothie. I'll keep it next to this. 2 best friends, 2 matches made in heaven. Completely ready. Made for each other. So yes, I'm so excited to be sharing this peanut butter oat smoothie and chocolate oat smoothie. Now in this recipe you can use any nut milk of your choice. Just make sure not to use any refined sugar in the recipe, and also do not use the normal dairy flavored milk. Try to use oat milk, soy milk, cashew milk, or almond milk, or just any other milk of your choice. And this milk are also good for health, plus it's also easy to make at home. So yes, both of these lovely recipes are completely ready. Do try this for breakfast or whenever you're feeling hungry, or if you have guests coming over and they are health conscious like me. So make this recipe and do let me know how it turns out for you. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.